Assalamu alaikum. My name is Aima Khalid. I'm class teacher of nursery from the Smart School Sir Syed Ahmad Khan Campus 2. Okay, now children, we have to start the work. Complete the word by filling in the beginning sound from the given box. Again, I'm telling you, complete the word by filling in the beginning sound from the given box. So look here, we have a box. So we have to start the work. Which picture is this? Which picture is this? Rabbit. Which picture is this? Rabbit. What is the beginning sound of rabbit? So you can look here. Where is rabbit? Where's look here. Yes. Which letter is this? Rabbit. So you have to write here rabbit. Okay, now look here. Which picture is this? Which picture is this? Glass. Which picture is this? Glass. Now tell me, what is the beginning sound of glass? What is the beginning sound of glass? G. G. Now tell me, where is G? Where is G? Yes. Which letter is this? G. So you have to write here G. G glass. Right here. G. G glass. G glass. Okay. Which picture is this? Nest. Which picture is this? Nest. So what is the beginning sound of nest? So you have to write here nest. Yes, right here nest. Okay, now which picture is this? Coin. Which picture is this? Coin. What is the beginning sound of coin? Quack coin. Quack coin. Yes. Where is? Yes. Look here. Quack coin. So you have to write here quack coin. Yes. Okay. Which picture is this? Which picture is this? Tiger. Which picture is this? Tiger. What is the beginning sound of tiger? T. What is the beginning sound of tiger? T. T. Tiger. So you can look here. Where is T? T. Yes, this is T. So you have to write here sound T. T. Tiger. T. Tiger. Okay, now look here. Which picture is this? Pen. Which picture is this? Pen. What is the beginning sound of pen? P. P. Pen. So look here. Where's P? Where's P? Yes, this is P. So you have to write here sound P. P. Pen. P. Pen. Good. Okay, now rabbit. Rabbit. G glass. G glass. Nest. Nest. Quack queen. Quack queen. T tiger. T tiger. Pen. Pen. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.